Hello there, welcome to muChiShona, and in this video we are going to learn how to count in Shona from number 1 up to 20. Kuverenga muChiShona kusvika pa 20. Shona uses the Arabic numeral system, commonly known as the decimal system, and each number has its own unique Shona name. And this is the decimal system as we know it, number 1 up to 10. Right, the first number 1 is called potsi in Shona, potsi. Number 2 is piri, piri. Number 3 is tatu, tatu. Number 4 is ina, ina. Number 5 is shanu, shanu. And number 6 is nanatu, nanatu. 7 is nomwe, nomwe. 8 is sere, sere. 9 is pfumbamwe, pfumbamwe. Quite a long word there. Pfumbamwe. Okay, and then number 10 is gumi, gumi. The numbers 1 to 3 also have alternative names. So number 1 is called potsi or imwe when you are counting. And number 2 is piri or mbiri. Number 3 is tatu or natu. These yellow names of numbers here are used when you are counting any number above 10. Imwe, mbiri, natu. Okay, let's go to numbers above 10. So as you can see there, we don't say gumine potsi. We use imwe, mbiri, natu. Now gumi, as we learned earlier on, is 10. Ne is an equivalent of end, and then imwe is 1. So it's like we are saying 10 and 1, which is 11. So these are the tens and these are the units. Okay, so 11 is gumi ne imwe, gumi ne imwe. 12 is gumi ne mbiri, gumi ne mbiri. 13 is gumi ne natu, gumi ne natu. 14 is gumi ne ina, gumi ne ina. 15 is gumi ne shanu, gumi ne shanu. 16 is gumi ne nanatu, gumi ne nanatu. 17 is gumi ne nomwe, gumi ne nomwe. 18 gumi ne sere, gumi ne sere. 19 gumi ne pfumbamwe, gumi ne pfumbamwe. And 20 is makumi maviri, maviri, mbiri, potsi piri. So maviri means 2, makumi means it's plural for gumi. So when there are 2 tens, it becomes makumi maviri, also plural. It's 2 tens, makumi maviri. Now here's a summary of what we have just covered. Numbers 1 to 3 have alternative names. The first set is for single digit numbers only. and the second is for numbers above 10. Alright, and then from 11 to 20 we start with the word gumi, which is a 10, but 20 starts with makumi, which is plural for gumi. Okay, we will see this as we count beyond 20. Now let's practice numbers 1 to 10 in Shona, this being number 1. Okay, potsi. So I will count now. Potsi, piri, tatu, ina, shanu, nanatu, nomwe, sere, fumbamwe, gumi. I'll repeat. Potsi, piri, tatu, ina, shanu, nanatu, nomwe, sere, fumbamwe, and gumi. We have come to the end of our recording. Thank you for watching. Tino Tenda. If you like to learn more Shona, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.